we'll be taking a look at Spearman Rank Correlation. Mostly, the Spearman Rank Correlation is mostly used in a qualitative data. It's mostly used in what? In a qualitative data. That is where we use Spearman ranking correlation. If you can remember, qualitative data are data that cannot be what? Data that cannot be measured numerically. They are data that cannot be measured numerically. So any data that cannot be measured numerically, you use a qualitative data. So they can either be feelings or emotion. So or value of an item. So any items you cannot measure numerically. So any data that cannot be measured numerically, you use a qualitative data. Now, a Spearman ranking correlation, as I said, is a kind of correlation whereby the quantitative data cannot be used. So we use a qualitative data. And in this case, you are going to rank an item based on their value. You are going to rank an item based on their value, because it is not a quantitative data, it is a qualitative data. Now, basically, the formula for our Spearman ranking correlation is 1 minus 6 summation d square divided by n, open bracket, of n raised to power of 2 minus 1. So this is the formula for our Spearman ranking correlation. So let's take a look at this question. This is a question we are going to be solving under Spearman ranking correlation. We were given the annual sales and we were given rank in training. So 318 was rank 3, 150 was rank 9, 175 was rank 6, and so on and so forth. Now the next thing to do is that we need to rank the data. We need to rank data. We need to rank the data. That's what we are trying to do. Spearman ranking correlation. We need to rank the what? The data. And that's what I'll be doing now. I'm going to rank the data. Now, if you check through the annual sales, which one is the highest? We have 319, we have 150. The highest number here is what? Is 460. So which means our 460 will be what? Will be 1, because it's the highest number, so it will be 1. The second highest number here is what? Is 348. So this will be 2. After this, the second highest number is what? If you can check, it is 319. So this will be 3. We are trying to rank the value of our item. That's what we are trying to do. Now, if you check, after 319, the highest number is what? The highest number is 300, right? But if you check closely, we have what? We have 300 here and 300 here. Okay, we have two numbers that follows each other consecutively, 300 and 300. Now, how do we rank this data? We rank 319 as 3, right? Now, to rank this one now, it will now be 4.5. 4.5. And this one will also be 4.5. Now, okay, it will be 4.5, not 4. So this will be 4.5 and this will be 4.5. Okay, now after this, the highest number that follows is what? It's not going to be 4. After 3, you are not going to say 4, because we have two numbers that they are the same, 300 and 300. So it will be 4.5, not 4. 4.5, 4.5. Now, the second highest number, if you check, is what? Is 280. Is 280. Now, 280, I know most of you will be like 280 should be 5, right? Now, 280 will not be 5. It will now be 6. Okay? It will not be 5 because we already have 4.5, 4.5. So, the second highest number after 300, which is 280, will now be 6, not 5. Okay? So, after this, after 280, which is the highest number here, the other highest number here is what? Is 200. So, this will be 7. This will be 7, right? After 200, the second highest number here is what? Is 190. So this will be 8. Okay, this will be 9, and this will be 10. So the moment you are done with that, you input your what? This rank, you put it back. Rank in training. Rank in training. So you put it back. 3. You are going to input it back again to the table. You are going to input it back into the table. So 3, 9, 6, 1, 4, 10, 5, 2, 7, and 8. Okay? Now the next thing to do is to find our D. Okay, we are going to find our D. Because from the question, we are going to find our D. And how do we find our D? Okay, 3 minus 3 is what? 3 minus 3 is what? Is 0. Okay, that's what we are trying to do here. 3 minus 3 is what? Is 0. Okay. 10 minus 9 is what? 3 minus 3 is 0. 10 minus 9 is what? Is 1. 9 minus 6 is what? Is 3. 1 minus 1 is what? Is 0. 2 minus 4 is what? Minus 2. 4.5 minus 10 is what? Minus 5.5. Okay? 6 minus 5 is 1. 7 minus 2 is what? Is 5. 8 minus 7 is 1. 4.5 minus 8 is what? Minus 3.5. Minus 3.5. So after this, I need to find my D square. I need to find my what? I need to find my D square. Okay, I'm going to find my D square. So, 0 square is what? Is 0. I'm going to find my D square. 0 square is what? 1 square is what? Is 1. 3 square is what? Is 9. Is 0, right? Minus 2 square is what? Is 4. Okay? Minus 5.5 square is what? 30.25. 1 square is what? 1 square is 1. 5 square is what? 5 square is 25. 1 square is what? 1 square is 1, right? Minus 3.5 square is what? Is 12.25. 12.25. Okay? So, I'm going to add this together. I'm going to add this together. 0 plus 1 plus 9 plus 0 plus 4 plus 30.25 plus 1 plus 25 plus 1 plus 12. So I'm going to add everything here together. I'm going to add everything here together. 0 plus 1 plus 9 plus 0 plus 4 plus 30.25. My final answer will be what? If you add your D square together, your final answer will be 83.5. Okay, 83.5. So I'm going to input it back into the formula here. So I can clean this place because I don't think we need this place again entirely. This is what I need. 83 point what? 83.5. If you can remember our formula, it is 1 minus what? 6 summation D square right, divided by what? Divided by n, open bracket of n squared minus what? Minus 1, right? Which power of, yeah, that's our formula. Now, so let's input 1 minus 6. Summation d square is what? Summation d square is what? Summation d square is 83.5. Okay, divided by the n means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10, right? 10, open bracket of 10 square minus what? Minus 1. Okay, that is it. So that is how it will be. So 1 minus 6 multiplied by 83.5 is what? 501. Okay, so this is 10. So are you getting it? So 10 raised power of 2 is what? Is 20, right? 20 minus 1. So this will be what? 1 minus 501 divided by 10, open the bracket of 19. So this will be 1 minus 501 divided by, so 10 multiplied by 19 is what? Is 190. Okay, is 190. Is 190, right? So 501 divided by 190 is what? So it will now be 1 minus 2.6368. So if you minus 1, it's going to give us what? 1.6368.